This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable baking cups, specifically these Panificio Kraft baking cups. We have 3 sizes here for you: the 3-ounce mini, the 5-ounce classic, and the 7-ounce jumbo. They're all made of a lovely Kraft paper and feature this charming little scalloped edge. These paper liners are oven safe up to 460 degrees. They're freestanding, making them great for baking a variety of different treats, and you don't need any special pans, which I think is fantastic because it allows you to bake a variety of different sizes without having to buy pans for every size you want. You can use these alone, or if you're worried about grease and show-through on things like cupcakes and muffins where you're really concerned with presentation, you can actually slip a traditional paper liner inside to maintain that color and cut down on any grease and show-through. The scalloped edges add a beautiful, charming touch to your baked goods, and they have a lovely little rustic and natural feel to them. The disposable nature of these Kraft baking cups makes cleanup a breeze. You can just toss them when you're done. They're a great option for bake shops, coffee shops, and cafes, patisseries, or just for use at home.